Look at the screen. Netflix is trading nearly 40% below its all-time highs. On paper, it looks like a giant is stumbling, but if you look closer past the red candles and the downward momentum, something incredibly strange is happening behind the scenes. While the stock price has been under intense pressure, the actual machine inside Netflix is generating cash at a rate that should be sending shockwaves through Wall Street. We are witnessing a massive tug of war between a collapsing stock price and an exploding bottom line. And here is why everyone is talking about it right now. Two massive things just hit the tape. First, there was this absolute bombshell. Netflix essentially walked away from a massive deal to acquire Warner Brothers Discovery streaming assets, and in doing so, they pocketed a $2.8 billion termination fee. That single windfall alone caused their net income to surge by 83% in a single quarter. Second, the sports world is waking up. Reports are swirling that Netflix is looking to expand its NFL package from just 2 games to 4 for the upcoming season. This isn't just a streaming company anymore, they are aggressively pivoting into a live event, ad supported powerhouse. So, what exactly are we looking at here? Forget everything you thought you knew about the old Netflix that just mailed DVDs, or even the Netflix that only cared about subscriber counts. The new Netflix is an advertising and gaming ecosystem disguised as a video platform. They have moved from a pure subscription model to a complex revenue architecture that balances premium, ad-free tiers with a high-margin programmatic advertising engine. They are leveraging their massive global scale across 190 countries to monetize every single second of your attention, whether you're watching an original series, playing a mobile game, or catching live football. The numbers coming out of their recent filings are frankly staggering. We are talking about revenue that climbed from roughly $29 billion in 2021 to over $45 billion in 2025. Their operating margins didn't just grow, they expanded, hitting 32% in the first quarter of 2026. And the cash, they generated over $9 billion in free cash flow last year. When you see a company generating that much liquid cash while simultaneously expanding its margin profile, you have to ask, why is the market pricing this at a 40% discount from its peaks? But don't get too comfortable. There is a massive, high stakes tension building here. On one side, you have the bulls. They see a high efficiency machine with a return on invested capital of nearly 24%. They see the ad tier as a massive, untapped gold mine and believe the expansion into live sports is the ultimate moat against competitors like Disney and Amazon. They see the margin expansion as proof that Netflix has finally mastered the art of content economics. On the other side, the bears are sounding the alarm. They are pointing to an unrelenting content arms race that threatens to inflate costs indefinitely. They are looking at the regulatory nightmare unfolding in markets like Brazil, where massive tax assessments can wipe out hundreds of millions in profit overnight. They see a zero-sum battle for eyeballs against TikTok and YouTube, and they worry that the high premium investors are paying is simply too much for a company facing such intense fragmentation and piracy risks. The gap between the current trading price and the fundamental valuation models is widening, and it is creating a massive divide in investor sentiment. Is this a structural breakdown of a streaming giant, or is this the ultimate accumulation zone before the next leg up? I have spent 50 minutes digging through the debt structures, the ad tech integration, and the hidden risks in their global expansion strategy. The full deep dive is ready, and trust me, the truth is much more complicated than what you see on a standard stock chart. You need to see the full analysis. But that's just the surface. The full 50-minute deep dive on Netflix Inc., common stock, the business, the management, the financials, who owns it, the risks, and the valuation is waiting for you on stockanalytics.ai. For €20 a month, you get 20 full-length deep dive requests plus our entire S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 video library, and you can request your own. That's stockanalytics.ai. And a quick note. This is an AI-generated analysis for educational purposes only, and nothing here is financial advice.